The B-2 Spirit bomber, America's secret weapon, has arrived to carry out its most dangerous mission. With its unique bat-like wings, the B-2 Spirit can fly silently and undetected, carrying a deadly bomb load. This aircraft is equipped with advanced stealth technology, making it invisible to enemy radar. Specifications: B-2 Spirit, length 21 meters, wingspan 43 meters, height 5 meters, empty weight 152,000 kilograms, maximum speed 630 miles per hour, 1,014 kilometers, range 6,000 miles, 9,656 kilometers. Armament: bombs, Mk-82, Mk-84, and bunker buster bombs. Missiles: BDU-36 and GBU-31. The B-2 Spirit aircraft is a symbol of the strength and power of the United States, making enemies tremble in fear. With its long range and long-range flight capabilities, the B-2 Spirit can carry out missions anywhere in the